The RS bolt is used to support the hanging wall between the face and the first row of sticks pre-stressed with jackpots. It is used in areas in which the stoping width restricts the required length of the bolt to be inserted. The RS bolt is a flattened pipe rolled into a C shape and is welded closed at the end, which is inserted into the drilled hole. It is manufactured with a 45-degree bend near the end of the bolt. A plastic cap prevents grit and dirt from entering the button. The end that sticks out of the hole has a button with a non-return valve which has a load and length indicator inside. The stope must be made safe before the production cycle and the installation of the RS bolt can begin. The hanging wall is barred and made safe. Temporary support is installed according to your mine standards. The face must be barred and checked for misfires. The support lines are marked indicating support positions in accordance with your mine standards. The stope is now safe to begin installation of the temporary support using the RS bolt. Drill the hole correctly into the hanging wall according to the bolt's indicated length. Drill according to your mine standards and as close as possible to 90 degrees to the dip of the strata. Check the pressure of the blue pump. Check the RS bolt for any damage, like a broken off button or any damage to the tube. Assemble the washer onto the RS bolt if required. Insert the RS bolt into the hole until the 45-degree bend is approximately 100 millimeters from the hole. Start straightening the bolt by bending it. Lower the RS bolt until the bend is visible. Repeat straightening if necessary. Check whether the bolt is straight. If it is not straight, then insert the bend into the hole again and bend the bolt again. Never hammer or force any bolt into the hole, as this will damage the button, thereby preventing the pumping of the bolt. Push the straightened RS bolt into the hole until the washer is tight against the hanging wall. Remove the plastic cap from the button with a combi nozzle. Flush the button and check that it is clean and free of dirt. Fit the combi nozzle onto the button. Squeeze the handle on the safety pistol and start pumping water into the RS bolt. As soon as the RS bolt starts expanding, which can be heard by the pump working harder, move away into a previously supported area and only then pressurize the RS bolt from a safe position. Continue pumping until the safety pistol squirts water from the relief valve. Remove the combi nozzle from the RS bolt's button. Check to see that the load indicator is visible. If the load indicator is not visible, repump the RS bolt. Repeat the procedure until the new line of RS bolts has been installed. The Hydrobolt high-pressure air pump is blue. It has two connectors, one for water and one for air. The single connector is for the high-pressure output water hose. The connectors are clearly marked in 3 places. The carry sling bracket clearly indicates the water and air connections. The words air, smock, and water, manzi, are also marked on the blue air pump casing. Always connect the water hose to the water connector and the air hose to the air connector. Wash the connectors with water to remove any dirt and grit before connecting the hoses. Connect the water hose first and then connect the air hose. Secure the hoses according to your mine standard. Turn on the water and then the air. Activate the safety pistol and check that the water squirts from the combi nozzle. Attach the pressure gauge to the combi nozzle. Activate the safety pistol and check that the delivery pressure conforms to a minimum of 25 MPa. With the pressure gauge on, check that the safety pistol is relieving pressure correctly by spurting water from the pressure relief valve. The blue high-pressure Hydrobolt air pump is now ready for use. Damaged combi nozzles can be quickly replaced. Ensure that the water and air has been turned off. Use the staple hammer to remove the connecting staple and keep the staple in a safe place. Pull the damaged combi nozzle off the connecting hose. Push the new combi nozzle onto the connecting hose. Replace the staple and check that the nozzle is functioning correctly. A damaged safety pistol can be quickly replaced. Turn off the air and the water supply to the blue Hydrobolt pump. Check that there is no pressure in the pump or hoses. Use the staple hammer to remove the staples from the safety pistol. Keep the staples in a safe place. Pull the connecting 4-meter hose from the safety pistol. Make sure that no dirt enters the hoses. Connect the 4-meter hose to the new safety pistol. Replace the staple with a staple hammer. Remove the 10-meter hose and connect it to the new safety pistol. Ensure that safety pistols are always connected in the right direction. Replace the staples and push or tap them into position. Turn on the water and air and check that the pump and safety pistol are operating correctly. A damaged combi nozzle seal can be easily replaced. Loosen the staple lock fitting with a 6-inch nail or spike. Remove the staple lock fitting from the nozzle housing. Remove the spring from the nozzle housing. Separate the seal unit from the staple lock fitting. Replace the seal in the seal unit. Place the spring into the staple lock housing and then replace the staple lock fitting. Fit the seal assembly into the staple lock fitting. Check that the seal is in the correct position. Tighten the staple lock fitting with a spike or a nail. Training aids in the form of posters and a DVD showing the step-by-step safe installation of a Hydrobolt, Expander bolt and RS bolt are provided. By arrangement, underground instructors can be provided to assist the mines with their training program. Workers who have attended the Hydrobolt, Expander bolt and RS bolt installation training are given certificates verifying as being competent in the installation of the Hydrobolt, Expander bolt and the RS bolt pre-stressing device. Hydrobolt, high performance under pressure.